Yo YouTube, what is going on? Hope you're having a great week. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free food on DoorDash, and this method is super easy. This is a DoorDash promo code that's going to get you your next 3 food orders for free. That was a tongue twister, but essentially this is a code that you can redeem within your DoorDash app, and it's just going to credit your account, basically a credit. Alternatively, you can also get free food orders. So let me run through these steps. You need to use your mobile phone and open up the internet. So you can see I'm using just an iPhone and Safari, but yeah, it doesn't really matter what you use. And go to this website, guys, www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you spell it as I've typed here. So you need to go to Wavy Coupons, and if you scroll down the page, I guess there you go, you can manually look for the DoorDash page, but if you don't want to do that, you can go to the search bar, DoorDash, and you can see there's a free credit and food coupons page. So all you have to do is basically just press on that to open it. Now there are 2 different coupons currently as of today, which is the end of January in 2024. There is a $100 DoorDash account credit promo code, and there's also a free food one, so it's going to get your next 3 DoorDash food orders for free. So you just have to basically select the code that you want. I'm going to be choosing the free food. So you click on show coupon, and this is going to pop up. You can see we need to unlock the code, guys. Obviously these free food coupons are somewhat valuable, so this just prevents someone from stealing them. So to unlock your DoorDash free food code, you tap unlock code, and then you're going to see this takes a few seconds, and then a new screen is going to appear, and it's going to talk you through the entire process. It only takes around 5 minutes, guys, to unlock your code. But yeah, you're going to see a new screen, and it'll tell you what you need to do. I've done this loads of times already, so yeah, just follow the instructions, and yeah, you're going to get yourself free food from DoorDash. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and let me know, guys, what you order using your promo code. I'll see you in the next one.